Alright, so the most asked question on both of my Windows 10 VirtualBox videos and even the Ubuntu ones, but it's always, how do I fix the kernel driver error? Even on the videos that I did last year where I actually showed you how to correct this error, I still get the question. So today I just kind of want to show you visually what the errors might look like and where they could appear, and then of course where to fix them. Okay, so there are two places you can get this error. Usually it happens in one of these two places. It might happen in both places, but for most people it ends up happening when you click start. But there is one other place that I want to show you. Okay, so when you actually install VirtualBox for the very first time, if you've never installed an Oracle product on your computer before, you're going to get this error. So basically, when you're in the package file and you're installing VirtualBox, it's going to get right to the end of that installation and you're going to get the error. Now, depending on what operating system you're on, it could look two different ways. First way, it could be a little pop-up window and it says something like, open your system preferences to correct this. Or you could see something that looks like this. It says kernel driver not installed, RC equals 1908. So if you get either one of those error boxes, then you have the kernel driver error, of course. Now the second place this could happen is when you are clicking start on your virtual machine for the first time. So you get it all set up and then you click the start button, you add your ISO file, and then boom, there is the kernel driver error yet again. So how do you resolve this error? Well, it's extremely simple. What you want to do is head over to your system preferences as soon as you get the error, and you click on the security and privacy section right here. And you want to make sure you're on the general tab, and you're going to see a window that looks a little something like this. Now, if you have a password on your computer account, you're going to need to click on this lock icon down here, and basically this just allows you to be able to edit these settings, because these can be some pretty sensitive settings, and that's why they're password protected. Now, when you're in this window right here, you're gonna have an allow button actually appear down here in this spot where I'm moving my cursor. And I'll show you in this screenshot what that kind of looks like. So you can see it says something like this: system software from developer Oracle was blocked from loading. And there will be an allow button right here for you to click. So you can see that that's not my case right now because I've already went through the error before. But you should see something that looks a little something like this, and all you got to do is click the allow button. And once you click that, if you're in the installation, you have to restart the installation, do it again, it should work. If you just click start on your virtual machine, well, then you're going to have to restart that virtual machine and it should work. But guys, that's it. I mean, it's real simple, super easy error to fix, and you just go to your system preferences, security and privacy, general, and click that button down there. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. I just wanted to show you that error visually for you guys. So, thank you all for watching. Please click that like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.